Alright, so today it's about Coleus tilt-a-whirl dispute here. So it has 3 big arms, 3 big stems, big teeth, to this nice canopy. Alright, yes, I know this was eaten by, I don't want to talk about it. And so now obviously got some new one start popping up here. Nice. And this little guy, these little guys here, doing well. Yeah. So it's about tilt-a-whirl. Let's get to it. This is about to get cut. Tilt-a-whirl. So I'm going to cut about here, right? Because you see all the nodes have a node here, have a node here, node here, and a node here, right? So I'm going to cut just above the node, right? So that, right, so you can see this is gonna plant in. I'm probably gonna plant all this in as well, and that will get into the soil. Right, so I'm going to put it down inside there. And basically just give it a new home. Yeah, that's one. Cut it right here. Boom. Nice. Right there, let you see the cut. So it have enough to grow out, and it's a nice little cut there. So now I'm gonna place this inside. Yeah, I already made a hole for it down in there. Nice. Alright, so onto this one. Alright, so going up here. Alright, look at that. Alright, we're just gonna check it right down in here. Right, so we go here. See that? Right, so these, now that it's, you know, cut and put in, it's going to grow roots. They're all 3 of them are going to grow roots, and they're going to, you know, hold on and probably push out a little more. The bottom leaves underneath might die, right, but that's a natural thing, right? But more will come out, you know, more will come out, and it's just gonna look gorgeous. This is Princess Lynn, everybody. Princess Lynn. Say hi to everybody, right? Princess Lynn loves Coleus, by the way. Just want to make sure that she appreciates the work. Let's see. It's a princess. Okay, so now something that you're gonna ask, right? Because naturally, one would ask, what is this and why is my plant doing it? Right, so when you transplant and give it a water, sometimes you are going to get it looking like this, right? It's going to look wilted, it's going to look leaned over, it's going to look like, oh my god, my plant is dying, right? But in actuality, that's normal, right? It might look like that when you start, and then it will bounce right back.